Welcome to the Modus Test MPT and MTC applications tutorials. In this video, we will demonstrate how to utilize the MPT and MTC to maximize your revenue with high-speed test performance optimization. This process shows how Modus Test KGS is used not only as an offline tool to ensure only known good sockets enter the production line, but also as an inline production maintenance tool to achieve optimized speed and voltage binning and higher yield at speed. Test performance optimization is achieved by periodically validating the goodness of sockets during production, which is often a major driver of device test performance. This provides a revenue lever that yields improved revenue outcomes from the same silicon without a design, fab, or package change. It generates higher-tier products with higher SKU pricing, or simply more SKUs due to higher yield at speed. The table shows two major Fmax performance-limiting root causes related to sockets. Poor C-res causes an IR drop, reducing effective VDD, degrading edge rate, and increasing switching noise. Poor shielding performance in coaxial sockets leads to increased coupling, higher noise, impedance mismatches, ground bounce, and common mode noise, which typically worsens sharply at higher frequencies. Using the MPT and MTC, a Kelvin C-res test is performed on each socket pin with 1 milliohm accuracy to ensure acceptable C-res performance. For coaxial sockets, additional ground-to-shield contact percentage tests and proximity tests are performed to ensure effective shielding performance. The known good socket achieves higher-tier product rates during speed binning and improved yield and pass rate with better Vmin performance, which directly translates into higher revenue. It also improves test cost efficiency and quality by reducing retest rates and increasing ATE throughput, helping customers generate more revenue per day and achieve faster time to market. The tables show estimated annual revenue losses of $20 to $30 million due to 20 milliohms of extra C-res or 10 picoseconds of extra total jitter caused by poor socket performance based on 5,000 wafers per month. The same monthly revenue loss per wafer formula was used for both cases, while different delta ASP and premium bin loss percentages were used, as noted at the top and bottom of each table. In summary, optimizing high-speed test performance with the Modus Test KGS increases ASP, yield, and margin without changing silicon. Speed binning optimization expands revenue through higher product tiers, while high-speed test optimization and voltage binning optimization improves yield and cost efficiency. Together, they represent one of the highest ROI levers available to chipmakers. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Enjoy the Modus Test KGS.